Very cool, guys. Welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter. And DJI OSMO Pocket extension rod is what we are going to talk about today because this holds so much of potential. Long time back, I did some fake aerial footage with the DJI OSMO Pocket, and you can see it, a link in the channel. It will be in the description actually. And I used a monopod to extend this and do some aerial footage around in Hollywood. But today we received this unit in the channel. Actually, Tech5 got this unit paid for, not by DJI. He paid with his own money and bought it. So we're going to check this out. So there are a couple of features out here. It's actually extendable, not much, by maybe like an arm extension kind of. And all you get is a little bit of extension. Now, to demonstrate this, we got Tech5's OSMO Pocket. There are small pins out here. So if you look properly, there are small pins out here. You need to take your OSMO Pocket and then you just install this. Also remember, you do need to connect your Wi-Fi module out here, because if you do not connect your Wi-Fi module, you are not going to get any feed on your OSMO Pocket on the phone. So we are going to put this, and then after that, we are going to lock it, okay? Lock this thing. Everything is locked. Since you have taken this out, what about the smartphone adapter? Well, DJI thought about that and put a smartphone adapter right out here. So your smartphone adapter actually slides all the way in and it stays out there. Also, I'm going to get a phone right now and I'm going to connect this to the phone. So to turn on the OSMO Pocket, you actually have to press the function button out here. So press the function button and the OSMO Pocket turns on. Now to connect this, the wireless module is connected out here, as you can see. And we will go out here and we will look for devices, and like everything is there. So yep, and then you get like a live feed out here. And hold on a second, that's the live feed. So once the feed comes up, you guys are going to notice that everything looks good. Now the good thing about the OSMO Pocket is that we'll be doing some cinematic shots later on, but you can use this as a jib, or you can go like a regular jib shot. And with the press of a button, hold like this, and then you take a video and you do like a jib extension. So this is kind of a run and gun kind of a cinematic setup if you guys are looking for. Now two customizable buttons, you've got C1 and you got C2 out here. These two customizable buttons allow you to customize your way of shooting videos and everything. And then there is this joystick. This joystick is super sensitive, and it's super good. Now a very important part is these two buttons out here. Number one button is just so you can rotate any direction you want. So as you can see, I can rotate like literally any direction I want. And then number two is that I can rotate up and down, left and right. So this is like a direction pad, and this is like a regular pad that you can hit. Also, to grip it much more better, they have added extra padding, so it feels much more grippy when you hold with one hand. And yeah, we're going to do some cinematic shots today, probably round about like 6 o'clock in the evening. My personal favorite is the OSMO extension rod. You can do so much of stuff with this. Also, it's pretty good when you're like going with your family and it acts like a selfie stick, but I do not want to put it like a selfie stick, but this is what you can do. So you press the function button. So now you can use this as like an extension of your thing, and it will follow you or anything. You want a little bit of elevation, you can actually use this to follow. It acts as a selfie stick, but literally nobody uses this as selfie stick because you can use this for so many other purposes.
Oh shit, I'm getting a call. Hold on. Yeah, hello? Hey, how's it going, buddy? No, I'm good. I'm here at the Santa Monica doing an Osmo Pocket video. Yeah, you caught me off guard. Let me give you a call back, okay? Yeah, no problem.
Alrighty guys, so that was it. That was from the channel. This channel is Opinions Matter, drones, tech, tutorials, tips, videos of different genres posted in the channel. Multi-diversity channel, because I do not want to be any niche or anything, because this channel is non-sponsored. So if you guys like this presentation, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do press that subscribe button. Right, should be on the left hand side. Yeah, so take care, see you guys again on another episode. Good night.